Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of your computer, exploring the intricate components that make it all tick. That's right, we're talking about the CPU, the Central Processing Unit. Specifically, we'll be breaking down its key components: the arithmetic logic unit, the control unit, and the memory unit. So, grab your tech hats, because it's about to get fascinating. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's have a quick overview of what the CPU is and its primary role in your computer. The CPU is like the brain of your system, handling all the calculations and instructions necessary for your computer to function. Now, let's zoom in on the arithmetic logic unit, or ALU. Think of the ALU as the mathematical powerhouse of the CPU. It performs arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Additionally, the ALU handles logical operations, making decisions based on conditions provided by the software. In simpler terms, it's the part that does the math and makes comparisons. Next up, we have the control unit. This component acts as the conductor of the CPU orchestra. It manages the flow of data and instructions within the CPU and coordinates activities with other system components. The control unit fetches instructions from memory, decodes them, and executes the necessary actions. It's like the traffic cop, ensuring a smooth flow of operations. Now, let's talk about the memory unit. Memory is where the CPU stores data and instructions that it needs to access quickly. There are different types of memory, such as RAM and cache memory, each serving a specific purpose. The memory unit works closely with the ALU and the control unit to ensure that data is readily available when needed. To better understand the magic that happens inside your CPU, let's see how these three components work together. The control unit fetches an instruction from memory. The ALU performs the necessary calculations or logic operations, and the results are stored back in memory. This seamless collaboration allows your computer to execute tasks swiftly and efficiently. And there you have it, a closer look at the CPU's arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and memory unit. I hope this video has demystified some of the inner workings of your computer's brain. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights,